Are itum hi church we sound setup safai rahera ili equipments being heli ready sahera mixer layer hi asha mai na chera jina hili ile khangjana be chair ke sane speaker khangने de le jina khon da le ile mixer layer mixer he Allen & Heath ZED FX22 ne jina hili power conditioner layer he Ferment we model M10 LXE jina hili graphic equalizer layer in a DBX-V 231S jina Sennheiser V XS wireless system he hili ka thumsing laye ara hi connect sama man hora
hina snake cable hai
hina snake cable with pins ping hai ara hina snake cable hili patch cable bing hila heiser laye patch cable bing road mini hina power adapter hina wireless we antenna hina microphone ne sticker card le this property belongs to TPCB like Sennheiser okay other connects house firstly in the extension cord le lock pak pin hina le other pin hina power conditioner le ka jangaura ye hina ka jangaura okay other wireless V antenna pan layer china heli power layer power cord layer khani layer akana mixer V akana graphic equalizer V china connection G mixer V heli khira equalizer ne hili khira china wireless microphone adapters wina hili samora le XLR male female le neutral we china hina channel 1 lisang channel 2 lisang the channel 1 wina equalizer way input lika zanga channel 2 way na equalizer way input lika zanga
monitor ka speaker de hai speaker nya
china monitor we wang neutral pin le bom le ye auxiliary out 1 auxiliary out 2 china wireless we wang hida snake now install na le china color coded blue ni ka jang lo white ni ka jang sin another cloths with cable na neutral pin ne hila chinara hina main out traffic equalizer we na out 1 hina out 2 ara hi blue hi le arlis ngau gida mixer li ra laga blue hi r channel is ngau yellow hi na s channel sauda ni s channel li ra white hi na l channel sauda hi na l channel li ra snake cable label tight le 1 2 to the tight le jina hai 1 no 1 le channel 6 jina shabai na mangin yung saglo ara hi channel pui hai nai red hi free daw the hi chile daw Adang may main speaker out bachi snakely channel A na channel B bhakilo china hena channel A libora hena channel B libora auxiliary 1 2 le aux 1 hena choir vivang nai aux 2 hena stage vivang hena aux 1 hena choir beside channel C china aux 2 ba hena stage beside channel E recording out ni white is no red is no recording device ni probably ashama setup sa pubai ka hila da want yora connection sa sir khai ne volume faders ka dong down 0 le hai le auxiliary 1 he clearly mirror here connection auxiliary 1 auxiliary out china hina monitorly stage level china hina main fader volume fader china EQ hi isi church we set up in optimize side ita da height layer kana we connection ji da da layer ara adung we bing hina wireless receiver kakni ba hina graphic equalizer kakthum ba hina power conditioner china power conditioner we na main hi shock laga ta le idak zang ne chiwin ga tong connect sa saw ga da device ping hi ila connect sa da le ga tong hi save sa ga ne je power condition sa china shama win 1 2 hi speaker lever china hi win connection port connection win is shock na front fakta ka ne main source it the creator meiji china hi ra zang over china hi power conditioner connection nahi power conditioner hoga on hoga connection sasarega china firstly speaker being on sarang ka power conditioner on side wireless receiver being on side mixer on side china hilai low speaker layer random power china hina snakeable way mangali pan khaina athangwi channel 1 2 A na P yang main way china CA na D ba hi issues le ogda E ba hi ba in C ba hi na choir way monitor levider E ba hi na stage way monitor levider choir way monitor li thadra jang le ye athangwi ji yang channel C ba ji volume hi full in high level setting C line in high level in the choir monitor ba hi na British acoustic scene like china dong we speaker ra gazang je main je le ra jangai ra QSC K12 le ra jangai ra china QSC K12 mati sinau da ba hina khne ta china volume hi 12 o'clock in kaina ka mushana na 2 o'clock in hai china offside le you settings limit in a high front we LED baje chini flat in header chini normal line aga subwoofer singa external subwoofer normal adam rakli laga tha khonga deep in high low daga no bass mer mera locking mechanism hi mic line le hai la asama power hi on side ka light out na QSC K12 series china DI box na bass wang passive ka piano wang passive ka guitar wang active ka active DI wa aruya mixer win a phantom power myo ga heli mai raura petrol exang exang le china hina main mixer le raura XLR option lai le china hi bai input is no base m sing laga m aruya main mixer ling zanga dakha pin ba he parallel outlet sangra laga hi bai na sub li bau jinai china in bahina guitar le baura chidai ga no hi personal monitoring sub ampli le shocker chini hina main le ba ga ni chi china hina keyboard ni china hina keyboard ni input le baura na di win shock to click tong hi mixer le bazang thu ga ni chini hina space de wai de le haisaro shi china adang mixer win a power ka ta chi condition power ta khai ji hilita jang kai ne chini hina monitor speaker le vaura hina issue with bass subwoofer ne hard key HT150 china ro setup chi ta le he will parallel out his panel laga agachina he will main ra jang naga volume hina we chang ka chaina no we shak shabin saulo na number na shrega ya really disturb saura ya we wang mixer le ra jang bi da chiba je mixer reach we operator ban control saura kai hino ka chain saulo china wireless microphone ko thum sing e plus hili Shure SM58 kni sing le 1 na ko 2 china hikni na kholi daura hi kathumi la kholi daura ta kholi phanga single hina pulpit wi microphone ne TPA wi ne kini hina pulpit li daura pulpit li haira ra TPA wi microphone hi wi pin hina hili ready in height hina sorry china hina neutral wi pin to the microphone stand here Hercules ne reliable salak kapang no pangshun merlum rana ye laga durable sane microphone clip wireless beside in hak mai guitar na Yamaha series ne bass na Ibanez GIO sound clear jale hina issue with keyboard ne Yamaha digital piano P-115 bass amp bass in the guitar set up the way this is how we set up the sound for our church. Goodbye then, someday.